Hello everyone, I am Shankar Wagmode. All members of my team, Team DSEM, are here to introduce themselves. First of all, I would like to introduce myself, and then afterward, all members will introduce themselves one by one. I am Shankar Wagmode. As far as my educational qualification is concerned, I am currently pursuing my graduation from Government College of Engineering, Karad, with Information Technology stream. My current CGPA till now is 8.64. I had completed my 12th from Vidyapratishthan's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Baramati, with 83.38%, and my 10th from Yeshwant Vidyalaya Bhose with 93.60%. As far as my family is concerned, I belong to middle class family. My father is farmer and mother is homemaker. I have programming language knowledge like C, C++, Java, and also familiar with Python, and also very much interested in HTML and CSS. I have very good knowledge in operating system, computer networks, database management system, data structures and algorithms, SQL, Docker containerization technology, and also familiar with RHEL 8. By using different kinds of technical skills, I had completed two projects till now. One is from machine learning domain, which takes CT scan image of lung, and by using the convolutional neural network, it classify the image whether it is a cancerous or normal image. And another project is by integrating the different concepts of calendar and C++ language. I had created one project. In that project, it take the year as an input and print out the complete year's calendar in one go. Also, I had also completed two industrial trainings. One is in Python and another one is in IoT. My hobbies are playing the kabaddi, surfing the internet, and listening to the music. My strength is positive attitude, self-confidence, and hardworking. And also, I have a team leadership. And my weakness is I believe everyone easily. Moving towards my achievements, one of the most important achievement in my life is I was from first three rankers in state for continuously 4 years in different competitive examinations in my schooling days. I had till now appeared for 20 plus competitive examination. Out of that, I had secured decent rank in 15 plus competitive examinations. And another achievement is I had selected in Cummins India Foundation scholarship scheme, which take the first 200 candidates from all over the India. That's all from my side. Thank you, everyone.
Good evening, all. I'm Aditi Digare. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree in Information Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have good understanding of C, C++ programming language, also Python basics and SQL. Along with these technical skills, my strengths are social adaptability and dedication towards achieving my goal. Talking about project, our third year mini project was based upon machine learning, in which we built driver drowsiness detection system. We were a group of two and we made the project success by using our excellent coding skills. I have actively participated in number of team sports and projects where I work within a team and contributed ideas towards the direction that should be taken. That's why I have outstanding team and leadership skills. Apart from this, I am also publicity head of Defense Club of our college, in which I manage all the activities that are conducted under the club. And now I'm looking to leverage everything that I learned in college and get some hands-on work experience. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Apurva Anil Pawar. I am from Karad. Currently, I am pursuing engineering in information technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my 12th from Ligade Patil Junior College of Science, Karad, and my 10th from Holy Family Convent High School, Karad. Talking about my technical skills, they include languages such as C, C++, as well as data structures, and I'm familiar with SQL and Adobe Illustrator. As a part of curriculum, I have worked on a project named Driver Drowsiness Detection System, in which the system has to alert the user when he or she feels sleepy. Apart from curriculum, I am a member of a club named the Dias Club, which mainly focuses on improvising the communication as well as other skills of students. So for the same, the club arranges various events as well as sessions and activities. Also, I was a part of organizing committee for TEDx GCK as well as the Dias Conclave. Talking about my hobbies, I love playing harmonium and reading. I consider myself as an optimistic person as well as a good team player. So I look forward to learn new skills and achieve great heights of success. Thank you.
Hello everyone. At the most, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Gaurav Pakare. I am from Nasik. I am a third year undergraduate pursuing BTech degree from Government College of Engineering, Karat in Information Technology branch. During these 3 years of my journey, I have worked upon multiple different kind of tools and the technologies which include public as well as private cloud. Uh, I have also worked upon many of the containerization technologies like Kubernetes, OpenShift, Docker, Podman, Cryo. I have also worked upon multiple DevOps tools like Jenkins, Ansible, Terraform. I also tried my deep hands-on data science and machine learning. I am a very passionate learner, so henceforth I also tried integrating multiple different kind of technologies and came up with my personal projects, which included machine learning for solving the challenges in the cybersecurity world. In this project, basically we created a machine learning model which was capable of detecting the IPs performing to do the DOS attack over the web server. And we automated the whole setup using a Jenkins pipeline. I also worked upon multiple different kind of tasks like setting up the highly available infrastructure using the Terraform code, in which I use the CDN network on AWS using CloudFront and content delivery via S3. While working over these many projects, I also gained multiple skills like team management, leadership skills. Regarding my work experience, so currently from past 3 months, I am associated with a student program named Earth as a technical volunteer, wherein I am helping the learners in their projects and tasks, also understanding the concepts regarding the technologies. Recently, I have also by chance completed 30 days of the Google Cloud Challenge, in which I completed two tracks provided by them. Regarding my certification, so I have done my Aviatrix multi-cloud network associate certification. I have also done my certification for Azure Fundamentals. I did my DevOps, Ansible, and container training by Linux World Private Informatics Limited. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you.
Hello, myself Gayatri Rajbade. I am native to Pandharpur and completed my SSC and HSC education in the same city. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Information Technology at Government College of Engineering, Karad, and I will be entering into the final year of my graduation studies in the next few months. I have done the Python internship, Python with IoT internship, the STEM Connect internship, which is organized by Deloitte. Also, I am working currently as a data science intern at Let's Grow More company. I have done the machine learning projects, that is detection of diabetes, fake news detection, loan prediction. Currently, I am working on the project that is iris flowers classification project. I am good with C and CPP, and I have knowledge of Java and machine learning as well. I love to listen music and reading books. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Niyal Jannath Ingole. I am from Waship district, Maharashtra. I have completed my secondary education from SMC English School, Washim. I have completed my higher education from RA College, Washim. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree in Information Technology branch from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my internship on summer program on MLOps under the Linus World Informatics, in which I have completed multiple tasks and projects, including live streaming app and car number plate detection using MLOps tools. And I also completed my internship on C programming with data structure. Other than that, I also participated in Hackathon 2020, in which my team has completed a project on sun tracking device using Arduino. I also participated in Ideathon, which held on Government College of Engineering Karar, in which my team has successfully created an IoT-based flood monitoring and altering system using Arduino. Looking toward my achievements, I am Oracle Infrastructure Foundation 2021 certified associate data engineer, and also a VIT certified engineer on multiple clouds. And I also completed my AWS Cloud Partnership Essential, and I also work as volunteer in in a company as an open technical volunteer in Earth, the School of Technology, for 1 week, in which I help many learners to solve multiple doubts and queries for 100 plus learners and help them in projects and tasks. Also, JavaScript ambassadors and work as a design and social content in IEC dot as during the COVID periods. Currently, I am in robotic clubs member. I have a good knowledge in OpenShift technologies and like Ansible, Cloud, Kubernetes, Terraform, Jenkins, and also I have a good knowledge in Java and SQL and MySQL. That's all from us here. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. My name is Krishna Anil Gavandi. I am from Kerala. I have completed my high school from Krishna School, Kerala. I have completed my junior college from Tiras Junior College, Kerala. Currently, I am pursuing a degree in information technology and I am in my third year. I am familiar with various programming languages like C, C++, Python, and have also worked on some web development applications. I have used tools like HTML and CSS also. Currently, I am the joint director in Dias Club. It is a club where we engage in various soft skill sessions. We have also conducted a TEDx event and Dias Conclave. I am a quick learner and a determined person with good communication and presentation skills. I am fluent in English, Hindi, and Marathi. My hobbies are reading and baking. For the mini project in a previous cell, we worked on a project that is video automation using hand gestures, which was required to be programmed in Python, and it used OpenCV for real-time application. That is all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Shreya Kumbar and I'm from Karad. I have completed my 10th from Vithamata Vidyalay, Karad and 12th from Sadguru Gargi Maharaj College, Karad. And currently I'm in third year of IT engineering, pursuing BTech degree from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have a good knowledge of database management, Oracle SQL, and the programming languages such as C, C++, and Python. I have completed internship trainings of IoT and data science and internship programs of machine learning at Versio. As a part of academics, I have done a mini project of audio video automation using hand gesture recognition system. So I am a self-motivated, confident, and focused person. I have also participated in college level hackathon where I have worked on library reminder app. Apart from engineering, I'm learning classical singing and I'm also interested in dancing. In my free time, I also play guitar and I'm a good listener and looking forward for learning new technologies. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Om Nurti Jadhav. I am from Chikli, Maharashtra. I have completed my SSC from Radhabai Khedekar Vidyalaya, Chikli, and I have completed my HSC from Late Bhaskarrao Singne Arts and Science College, Sakarkheda. Currently, I am pursuing third year BTech in Information Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Information technology is present in every field. That's why I investing last 3 years for developing my technical skills. My technical skills include C, C++, Java, and databases. I'm also familiar with machine learning, data structure and algorithms, computer networks, and database management system. These all are my technical skills. I also use these skills for building several projects, which include lung cancer detection using CT scan images, in which we taken CT scan image as an input, and using machine learning, we classify image as a cancerous or non-cancerous. And another one project in which I build a app, a music player app using Java domain. Apart from this, my hobbies are reading autobiographies and listening to music. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Gaurav Bhagat. I am from Malkapur, district Buldana. I have completed my SSC and HSC with 89 and 77%. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Information Technology in Government College of Engineering, Karad. Recently, I am good in C, C++, and Python languages. I have completed Python with IoT and programming with Python with their certification. Recently, I completed a mini project under the domain deep learning. In this project, we classified waste material into different types using convolutional neural networks. Apart from this, I have worked as a coordinator in box cricket in Aishkar event in Government College of Engineering, Karad. From this, I concluded that I am good in communication and team management skills. The languages that I know are English, Hindi, and Marathi. And I am interested in watching cricket match on TV mobile. Now I am looking for join a company for work experience. Thank you.